But there is a problem in veterinary market. Despite the products are perfect, the software is perfect, Materialize, which I'm also using, but not exactly mimics. There is a bit problem compared to human medicine. If we take into consideration that veterinary implant should be completely the same as human medicine implant, then there's a bit of problem, because in human medicine, you have to follow all of the standards, ISO certification, FDA certification in US, MDR, tons of paperwork, tons of standards, which is not present in veterinary medicine. In veterinary medicine, in most of the law systems, implants are not considered as medical products, because in European Union, the same in United States, from what I remember, medical product is intended to be used in human being. Veterinary is not a medical science, it's agriculture in most of the countries. So if it comes to the standards, if it comes to the surface finish, etc., it's like Wild West. There are a lot of companies who are not following any standard, just manufacturing the implant and telling that it's a perfect implant for the animal, just use it. Responsibility of the company is like nothing, because if we don't have to follow the standard, no one can do us anything. So the biomedical approach is a bit different, as we are following the standards and focusing mainly on the human medicine standards. So in human medicine, you have to follow material biocompatibility testing, fatigue testing, precision manufacturing, all of the standards which provide you safe product with proper safety, cleanliness, that you can rely on. In veterinary medicine, it's a matter of trust between the surgeon and the company, but if the company is a serious player and has a lot of money to invest in the process, it's okay. But if it's a completely new company from nowhere telling that, okay, our products are perfect, just use them, it's a bit risky to rely only on the kind of trust, as there are no standards. So theoretically, implants don't have to pass biomechanical testing. They can be done out of anything, because there is no specific standard for the material quality. Traceability, which is like a basics in human medicine, doesn't exist. So if we have a batch of products in human medicine and one screw is improper by means of standards, manufacturer knows everything about the batch and can do the market callback, etc. In veterinary, it's complicated. Poor material choice, corrosion and rejection, lack of precision, implant misfit, biomechanical failure, no standardized testing, breakage. And who is responsible for implant failure? The surgeon who don't know how to make the surgery, the manufacturer, the provider of material. The matter is very, very complicated. So it has strict impact on the veterinarians and pet owners. If something will fail, who is responsible? If implant fail, it's always the responsibility of the surgeon, because he is the user, but how he or she is checking if the implant, if the product is reliable. It's completely different situation than in human medicine. So at least in our approach, we follow the quality standards of human medicine products, as from our responsibility. If something will be wrong, the company is responsible for it, not the standardization organization, not the certification, because it doesn't exist. So designing the products, we rely only on medical grade software. There is a validation, there is a verification of the dimensions from CT. So if the software is validated, we can provide the precision. Certified medical grade materials in controlled medical processes. Even if we don't have to follow it, we use it just because of this responsibility and credibility. Biomechanical strength testing, traceability. Every product has its number, has full story traceability in the system.